Okay, good day to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Today's video, I would like to show to you guys, viewers, about regarding how to treat our toothache or pain in our tooth, viewers. So, don't forget to subscribe to Subscription Vlog, viewers. But before I go on, we have my intro. So to this video, guys, very important to know, learn what is the part of our body that really treat with regards with our toothache, viewers. So toothache is very tremendous effect in our feelings. We cannot ignore the fact we cannot work very well because we have our toothache. So we've noticed that it will really attack in our feelings until we can feel until in our head. So we suffer also headache through the toothache, viewers. So this video, I'm going to show the parts of the body that we're going to massage with regards to treat our toothache, viewers. Those viewers really follow my video. You just follow what I'm going to show to you in this video, guys, viewers. So we have the part of our body that we're going to massage in order to treat our toothache. So first of all, we're gonna use our finger. So this finger is also very useful in order to treat our toothache. So the first part that we're going to press is here, viewers. This part we gonna just press it. This part, this chin, is this chin. So we're gonna press it this within 60 seconds. Just imagine 1 up to 60 or 1 minute. So you notice, you press this, then you rotate, viewers. Those like to treat their suffering toothache. Okay, you can just press it and round it just within 60 seconds. This is the pressing of our below our mouth, our chin, this one. So we can press it how many seconds? 60 seconds, viewers. Okay, because I'm also suffering this toothache for how many days. Then I really research also. Then I discovered that this point is also very useful to treat our toothache, viewers. This one. So as I said, 60 seconds. This is only a demonstration. So you can gonna press this part within 60 seconds. Okay, so then we notice that there is a result that the toothache is really vanished. Then next part is also here, this one, this finger, we also press this part below our nose, this one. Okay, just rest within 60 seconds. Okay, that's it, viewers. So you can just follow. This video is really important So this part is to cure our gums. This part. Okay, gums and teeth or toothache. This one. Below our nose. Okay. So round it, press it, round it, press it. So this part. Okay, you're gonna count up to 60 seconds. Okay, you have seen what I'm going to show to you, viewers. Okay, this one. Below the nose, you press this one, then you round it. 60 seconds only. The next is here. Our palm, this one here. So this part, we gonna or here. Okay, we gonna press this one, this part, this one. Okay, in our hands, this one we gonna press also this one. This part will also the part that we're going to treat our toothache. This one, 60 seconds also. Okay, that's on the demonstration. Thank you very much, viewers. With regards with my how to treat the toothache that we feel in our mouth, or we can reach this to our mind. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Terso Creation Vlog, ladies and gentlemen. So hoping that you're gonna subscribe, click all button bells, and you love Terso Creation Vlog, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, viewers. Bye bye.